Hi, my name is Vieira. I am the CEO at stockmarketlive.tv. Today we are going to discuss Apple market calls, in particular the fact the company reported earnings. It lost the equivalent to $75 billion after earnings announcement in market cap. Where do you find the right calls in Apple in the past 10 years at least? At stockmarketlive.tv, including this earnings call completely for free, as I'm going to demonstrate here. Although before I do it, I'm going to make these simple questions. What's the probability of one to make the right call in Apple for 10 consecutive years? Well, it is literally zero. What is the probability of making the same person the right call on Apple earnings? Well, basically 1% for the same reasons. Why does a hedge fund manager pay $2 million to know what is going to happen? And the answer, to make money. How much did you have to pay to know the result? Zero, since this information, it has been available at stockmarketlive.tv, free of charge, a simple formula for getting rich. Sell Apple at $133 to sell short the stock. Since February 2015, you just have to refer to several articles and videos available for free explaining how to invest in Apple, and in particular this here, article Billionaire Sell Short Apple and Yelp crashed. Article Vieira downgrades Apple at $133, and you know what happened after that. Therefore, in the past few months, I proved that the best trading strategy it was to follow up our guidance. And the article, Valid Reasons to Sell Apple Shares. So once again, I show you this slide that is basically present in every single case study that I publish in my work. Human stupidity is unlimited. And I'm referring to the crowd, since you had this information completely for free at stockmarketlive.tv. Therefore, I congratulate all those that they followed our guidance. Since the very beginning, we have been doing this for 25 years. Apple after hours, you have here the price $121.89, while Power Shares $112.65. Real-time quotes, 75 billion worth our earnings call. And once again, I invite you to visit our website and to comprehend how to invest in Apple with someone that has never missed one single call in Apple, and I'm very proud of it. You find the confirmation of all the calls in Apple and more than 100 leading companies listed in NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange in our work recorded live store forecast, earnings call, and so on. Thank you, and good luck continuing investing in Apple going forward. Bear in mind that this was done regardless of the fact that the company announced a very good quarter, and also Wall Street analysts, they had ahead of earnings targets above $190 all the way up to private investors $240. So you have Apple after hours, the stock or the shares be plunged to 120, and the pivot, it was announced here live for several months, 133. That is precisely the price that the stock tested ahead of earnings, and it was the one that Apple failed to break and responsible for this situation. Therefore, I proved as an expert reading the tape that I know quite well what the stock is going to do. If I told you ahead of earnings not to buy Apple, that there were by far better opportunities in the market, I think that you had a very good chance to save some money. even if you are an investor in Apple on long term, then you have the opportunity to buy shares at a better price compared to those that I already told you not to buy the stock, instead to sell short shares and to make the most by following our guidance trading strategies that have been proven for years to be the correct ones. And I'm the one that called the crash in Apple a few years ago, as well as I'm the one that called the bottom in Apple. The pre-split price, the $55, corresponds to 390 when Wall Street was downgrading shares of Apple. That price, I said, as an investor in Apple, in years ahead, you can make $100 million. But if I never missed one call in Apple, here you have one more, again, the confirmation of it. Thank you.